everyone, I'm Miss Phonics and today we're going to learn a new sound. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the I sound. Now we know that the letter I normally makes an I sound, but it can also make an I sound. Just like the letters I, G and H together make an I sound, the letters I and E together make an I sound, and I split E makes an I sound. I. But today we're going to be learning this I sound. Now when I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. I. Excellent. Now, let's have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the I sound. Oh, I found an iron. Can you hear the I sound at the beginning of iron? Iron. Iron. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the I sound. Oh, I found a lion. Can you hear the I sound in lion? Lion. Lion. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the I sound. Ooh, I found a sign. Can you hear the I sound in the middle of sign? Sign. Sign. Excellent. So sign, lion and iron all use the I sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the I sound. To write our I sound, we need to write the letter I. And to do that, we start here, we go all the way down, little flick, off and dot. Now I want you joining in, so let's get those magic fingers ready. Give them a big shake and a wiggle. Give your shoulders a big roll so you're ready for writing. You can use one hand as a piece of paper to write on and the other one with your magic finger. Are we ready? Magic fingers. Start here, all the way down, little flick, off and dot. Well done. Let's do it again. Magic finger. Start here, all the way down, little flick, off and dot. Excellent. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the I sound. Our first word today is wild. My turn first. W-I-L-D. Wild. Your turn. Wild. My turn again. W-I-L-D. Wild. Your turn. Wild. Excellent. Our next word today is sign. My turn first. S-I-N. Sign. Your turn. Sign. My turn again. S-I-N. Sign. Your turn. Sign. Excellent. And our last word today is final. My turn first. F-I-N-O. Final. Your turn. Final. My turn again. F-I-N-O. Final. Your turn. Final. Well done. You've worked really hard today and should be feeling very proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you for another sound again soon.